风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一客语。
Hey, it's time for Daily Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。
Joseph，你見唔見懂fonˋ hiˋ哦？
哎，你看得出來哦，我很開心，對不對？
對啊，我今天就來教你，今天好開心。
哎，好 ，Let's teach you how to say happy and situations of that. Okay, happy 開心，
fonˋ hiˋ，
fonˋ hiˋ，
今晡日懂fonˋ hiః，
今晡日懂fonˋ hiః。That means today I'm very happy. 啊，你知道為什麼我開心嗎？
為什麼？
因為我中了統一發票，不是200哦，我中到4000了。
真的，那真是太開心了。
Because I won the invoice lottery, I'm very happy. 哎，怎麼說呢？
ngaiÐ速度，
ngaiÐ速度，
統一發票，
統一發票，
懂fon�hiః啦，
懂fonˋ hiః啦。
ngaiÐ速度，統一發票，懂fon�hiଃ啦。
Yeah, I'm so happy I won the invoice lottery. 哎，統一發票叫做
統一發票，
統一發票。Okay, that's the unified invoice. And then let's repeat again. How do you say it today? I'm so happy. 今天好開心。
今晡日懂fon�hiః，
今晡日懂fon�hiଃ。And there you have it. It's all about moods this month on Daily Hakka.
什麼大家？
只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.